is Haniyah. I'm in 4K and I made this video about the differences between Earth and Mars. So here we have the content, and here is our first fact. Mars, the planet named after the Roman god of war. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is commonly referred to as the red planet. The rock, soil, and sky have a red or pink hue. The distinct red color was observed by stargazers throughout history. It was given its name by the Romans in honor of their god of war. Other civilizations have had similar names. The ancient Egyptians named the planet Herdeshtur, meaning the red one. Time. 1 day on Earth is 24 hours, and 1 year on Earth is 365.25 days. 1 day on Mars is 24 hours and 37 minutes, and 1 year on Mars is 687 Earth days. That means that 1 year on Mars is about 2 years on Earth. Fun fact, an 8-year-old kid on Earth would be the same as 4.25 years old kid on Mars. Speed around the Sun. The speed of the Earth around the Sun is about 67,000 miles per hour. This is the speed we travel 24 hours a day, 365.25 days a year. Mars is a bit of a laggard. Its speed is only 0.802 times that of the Earth. That is 53.7 thousand miles per hour. Fact: the fastest planet in our solar system is Mercury, named after the god of speed by Romans, 107.7 thousand miles per hour. Atmosphere. The atmosphere on Earth is 60 miles long and has 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the last one is exosphere. The atmosphere of Mars is much thinner than the Earth's. 96% of the atmosphere on Mars is carbon dioxide, while Earth is 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Fact: there is only 0.15% oxygen on Mars. That's why humans cannot live there. Volume. Earth's volume is 1,083 billion cubic kilometers, while Mars has a volume of 163 billion cubic kilometers, which is the equivalent of 0.151 Earth. The diameter of Mars is 4,220 miles, whereas the diameter of Earth is 7,926 miles. That means that Mars is roughly half the size of Earth. Fun fact: if both Earth and Mars would be perfect spheres, then we could actually fit about 7 Mars inside Earth. Gravity. The gravity on Mars' surface is 3.711 meters per second square, which is much lower, 62% lower to be precise, than the gravity on Earth, which is 9.807 meters per second square. That means a person who weighs 100 kg on Earth would weigh only 38 kg on Mars. Fun fact: we will not have to diet on Mars to lose weight. We will already be 62% less heavy there. Distance. The distance from the Earth to the Sun is called an astronomical unit, or AU, which is used to measure distances throughout the solar system. It is 93 million miles. Mars orbits the Sun at an average distance of 142 million miles, or 1.524 astronomical units, over 1.5 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. This is one of the reasons why Mars' year is longer than the Earth's year. That is complete orbit around the Sun. Mass. Mars' mass is 6.42 times 10 raised to the power of 32 kilograms, about 10 times less than the Earth. The mass of the Earth is 5.972 times 10 raised to the power of 24 kilograms. The less weight is due to a smaller volume and the less density of the planet Mars. Density. Earth and Mars are similar when it comes to their basic makeups, given that they are both terrestrial planets. Earth's density is higher than that of Mars, 5.514 gram per centimeter cube, compared to 3.93 grams per centimeter cube. This indicates that Mars' core region contains more lighter elements than Earth. Structure. Earth's core region is made up of a solid inner core that has a radius of about 1,220 kilometers and a liquid outer core that extends to a radius of about 3,400 kilometers. Both the inner and outer cores are composed of iron and nickel, with trace amounts of lighter elements, and together they add to a radius that is as large as Mars itself. Current models of Mars' interior suggest that its core region is roughly 1,794 plus minus 65 kilometers, 1,115 plus minus 40 miles in radius, and is composed primarily of iron and nickel with about 16 to 17% sulfur. Moons. Earth has only one satellite, Luna, or the Moon. It is our only natural satellite and source of our tides. Mars has two small satellites, Phobos and Deimos. The moons were discovered in 1877 by the astronomer Asaph Hall. Scientists believe that these two satellites were once asteroids that were captured by the planet's gravity. Fun fact: Moron mythology. The name of Mars' moon, Phobos, and Deimos are the names of the sons of the Greek god of war, Eros or Mars. Seasons. There are 4 seasons on Earth: summer, winter, fall, and spring. Mars has 6 seasons. 4 are winter, summer, spring, and fall, like Earth, caused by the planet's tilt 25 degrees to Earth. To Earth is 23 degrees, and the 2 other seasons are aphelion and perihelion, which occur because of Mars' highly elliptical orbit. Weather. Average temperature. The average temperature on Mars is minus 81 degrees Fahrenheit, while on Earth is 57 degrees Fahrenheit, which means that Mars is much colder than Earth. The hottest temperature on Earth was 134.1 degrees Fahrenheit, recorded in Furnace Creek Ranch in Death Valley, United States on 10th July 1913. A summer day on Mars may get up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius near the equator, but at night the temperature can plummet to about minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 73 degrees Celsius. Winters. The coldest temperature on Earth was minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 89.2 degrees Celsius, at the Soviet Vostok Station in Antarctica on July 21st, 1983. In winter on Mars, near the poles, temperatures can get down to minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 125 degrees Celsius. Early explorers. Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago, and life began at least 3.5 billion years ago, because that is the age of the oldest rock with fossil evidence of life on Earth. Scientists don't know certainly, but the consensus is that early explorers on Earth were fungi, algae, lichens, or simple protozoa. When the solar system settled into its current layout about 4.5 billion years ago, Mars formed when gravity pulled Australian gas and dust to become the 4th planet from the Sun. To date, no proof of past or present life has been found on Mars. Cumulative evidence suggests that during the ancient Noachian time period, the surface environment of Mars had liquid water and may have been habitable for microorganisms. But the existence of habitable conditions does not necessarily indicate the presence of life. Over the years, NASA has sent 5 robotic vehicles called rovers to Mars. The names of the 5 rovers are Soldier, Spirit and Opportunity, Curiosity, and the last one is Perseverance. Soldier. Mars Pathfinder mission. Landed on Mars in July 1997. Specialty: being the first wheeled robot to have roved the red planet. Spirit and Opportunity. Mars Exploration Rover's mission. Landed on Mars in January 2004. Specialty: finding evidence of water on Mars. Curiosity. Mars Science Laboratory mission. Landed on Mars August 2012. Specialty: finding out if Mars once had what all life needs: lasting water and the right chemical ingredients. Perseverance. Mars 2020 mission. Landed on Mars February 2021. Specialty: look for signs of past or present life and see if humans could one day explore Mars. So here's the big question. Can we survive on Mars? After the Earth, Mars is the most habitable planet in our solar system due to several reasons. Its soil contains water to extract, it isn't too cold or too hot. Gravity on Mars is 38% that of our Earth, which is believed by many to be sufficient for the human body to adapt to. However, the surface is not hospitable to humans or most life forms due to radiation, greatly reduced air pressure, and an atmosphere with only 0.16% oxygen. Human survival on Mars would require living in artificial Mars habitat with complex life support systems. Key aspects of this would be oxygen supply and water processing systems. I hope you enjoyed my say about the differences between Earth and Mars. I hope you like it. Thank you.